Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to all my fans on TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sikukune 1. I'm joined by Umenya Rwetiski.
Sibos.
Fede minyat.
Right.
Angimna.
Yeah, akufani khona Sibo. Sibo, eboleni there's something esibiza ngokuthi playing with pictures.
Playing with pictures.
Yes, playing with pictures. Isho ukuthini lento Sibo? Isho ukuthi you must picture what you want to do before you even receive the ball.
Okay.
Through movements to create spaces.
Yes.
Ingisa lento Steve, ingisa ekuthenini 90% of the game
sharp
is played without the ball.
Yes.
Or off the ball.
Yes.
And these off the ball movements prepares you for the decision you are going to make on the ball.
Yes.
And if they are done correctly and in different areas of the pitch, the team may progress and be able to create scoring opportunities.
Definitely.
Into esiyenzile leyo today first half sikwazile ukushaya movements of the ball
sharp
njengabo umahupa khona la bedonsa khona ama players ngalesikhathi besondela kuyena khona nje la umfuking akwaze khona ukuphasela khona uShandu first half washweba leyo ball siye ebholeni lika Mbokazi ne ama movements of the ball besikhona ukuthi senze njani ukuthi siwashaye today
sharp.
The only thing ngidisappointed ukuthi besingagori team. But khona bese understand yini ukuthi siyakhona besikhona ukudlala with pictures. Ama movements ethu abe grand first half second half Mbokazi amathuba sawathola sawashweba bomahupa sabahlula yabo. But game was disappointed because if uthi uyachecka against iPyramids siconsider ngekhona FNB. Even though VAR ithe kube offside. Against iPyramids away siconsider ngekhona. Against iSikhukhune today siconsider ngani?
Khona.
Siconsider ngekhona. Against iPyramids siconsider ngani?
Khona.
Nange set piece. Isitshela ukuthini lento?
Sidliwa ngama set piece.
Yes, aerial isitshela ukuthini?
Njalo nje sidliwa ngama set piece.
Yes, aerial sinjani? Siphuwa. And enye mistake enzo coach wethu ne? Ucoach wethu away against iPyramids we needed uNdlondlo noNdlozi ngalesikhathi silida ngo2-1 wangabafaka. Today siyadliwa 1-0 uzofaka uNdlondlo noNdlozi. Angisazi manje ukuthi kahle ama tactics siwadlalayo kwenzakalani. Ngalesikhathi sidinga uNdlondlo noNdlozi ukuthi bezokhona ukuthi besimene nje le game asibafaki. Ngalesikhathi sidliwa kuzofakwa bani? uNdlondlo noNdlozi. Kungena sidingo. So ayambelana. So angazi ucoach wethu kule 3 years yonke ube right.
Shandu
uzoyilahla manje isizini sehamba ama game akasephela. Understand? So sengivala nje Sibo even egame today cishe ngangeza yabo because bengisa disappointed lento eyenzakalile egamini la yePyramids up until amajita angidonsa ukuthi ngiyathisa so please lento mina ngicabangile ukuthi ukudliwa kwethu kuzoyehlisa iperformance yethu besinayo ukuthi siphume kwi-semi-final psychological isishayile lonto uyabona namajita uyadlala ngakhona and iware nginayo now we are going to iDerby Saturday. We are going to iDerby nge-10 against the Chiefs. Asazi ukuthi kuyokwenzakalani. Psychologically asikho grand Sibo. In such a way ukuthi even angeke ngikwazi ukunikeza man of the match. So ngicela ukuyivala Sibo, ngicela ukuyivala nje ukuthi ngibambe la.
Awuna man of the match.
Angeke ngikwazi ukunikeza man of the match. Ngicela ukuyivala.
Sharp.
Nasiwe